This video introduces the ELCL feature of the Smart Configurator for RL78 family. The RL78 ELCL feature allows various system signals to be connected in combination with any logic function, allowing flexible customization of functions according to system requirements. This video creates a chattering prevention circuit using the ELCL flexible circuit component. ELCL flexible circuit component is available in eSquare Studio 2025-2001 and later. First, create a project using the Smart Configurator for RL78G23 in eSquare Studio. Select File. Renesas RL78. CCRL from the menu. Enter the project name. Select the RL78G23 device. Check Smart Configurator and select Finish. Select the Components tab. Select Add Components. Select ELCL Flexible Circuit Component and choose Finish. This section explains the UI of the ELCL Flexible Circuit. First area. Display the ELCL element. Displays ELCL elements that can be placed on the canvas by drag and drop. Second area. Display the ELCL element properties. Change the settings of the selected ELCL element. Third area. The input area in Canvas. Add input to the ELCL circuit. Fourth area. The circuit editing area in Canvas. Place logic cells and edit the circuit. Fifth area. The output area in Canvas. Add output to the ELCL circuit. Select the ELCL element and drag and drop it onto the canvas area. Input elements go to the input area. Logic cells go to the circuit editing area. Output elements go to the output area. To create a chattering prevention circuit, place two inputs, one EXOR circuit and one flip-flop circuit, and two outputs. Connect each ELCL element using drag and drop. Click the edge of a connectable element and drop it on a connectable point to connect. Possible connections are highlighted. Impossible connections will not be highlighted. Connect to form a chattering prevention circuit. Change the settings for each ELCL element. When you select the element whose settings you want to change, the display of the property area was changed. Input element selects the input category and details. Output element selects the output destination and inversion. Logic cells can be configured to suit each logic cell. Logic cells must select a resource number. Set each element to create a chattering prevention circuit. After completing the settings, press the Generate Code button to generate the code. If you select an ELCL element and press the Delete key, the ELCL element will be deleted. If you want to change the connection, delete unnecessary connection lines and then reconnect. If connection is not possible, the destination will not be highlighted. While editing an ELCL flexible circuit, an error may appear. In cases where an error icon is displayed, you can check the error message by hovering over the error icon. Change the connections and settings of the ELCL elements according to the message content. In cases where an error message is displayed on the console, you can check the error message on the console. Change the settings of the ELCL element according to the message displayed on the console. Please visit Renesas website for more information.